Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I am back with more special Happy Meal for my Christmas challenge giveaway. Can you guess who this is from? Well, if you did guess corn, you're right, because it is from Cornflower Crafts. We have the beautiful gnomes that she's gifted me and my daughter. This is Hyacinth, and we have our 3 other gnomes here that she made. This one was a little kit that she gifted my daughter Emmy, and she put it together. And these guys have traveled with us. I think this year, as we travel during the holiday season, they'll be joining us on our adventures. I'm hoping to share that in my shorts sometime soon. But I'm super excited. Again, Corn, thank you so much for joining. I just wanted to show you the beautiful stamps that she has included on this, and the bird stamp over here is just adorable. I just love it. And then on the back side, we have this beautiful little house. So let's open it up. I did see her VR, but again, it's so fun to see everyone's creations in person. So I cannot wait to see what she made. Let me just pull this out. It's a little snug in there. Oh my gosh. Look at that gorgeous Christmas card. She has a series of this Craft With Me videos where she shows you how she works with her scraps. And I love the color combination. I love blues. Look at those beautiful birds, and she's used all her scraps to create this. I love, is that stitching or faux stitching over there? She's added this beautiful tool on top. It says Merry Christmas, and there is her maker's mark, handmade by Core. And she also recently made this gorgeous journal, and I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it was part of her giveaway. If you haven't, please make sure to check it out. Let me read her note real quick. Oh, so sweet. It says, Dear Karen family, peace on earth, happy holidays. I and Handsome wish you all the happiness and good health. Corn and Handsome. Oh my gosh, that's super sweet. And look at this. She created a pocket, and I see an ATC card. Let us pull it up. I just want to show you the washi that she's used on the border. And then we have the beautiful digital or print here with the beautiful birds. So I'm gonna take this out. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow, this is so precious. It says Happy Christmas, and I love that. But what she's done is added all of my favorite things. I love woodland creatures, and we have the fox. I don't know if you can see it or if my camera's picking it up, but she has added this gorgeous kind of lavender stickles. You can see the shimmer, and then at the bottom, look at the shimmer on the trees. And I love the layering she's done here, and a cute little bird on top. But that lace is adorable. It has little hearts. So much attention to detail. And then here, I also love flowers. So all in one, we have a Happy Christmas. Oh my gosh, artist trading card. Let me see if there's something on the back. Wow, I love your handwriting, Corn. Just a little preview of that. That is amazing. Now, she did share this tradition in her VR, but I wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys. So that was one of the requirements for this giveaway. If you felt so inclined and felt comfortable to share a favorite memory or tradition during Christmas. Now, Corn's is when her favorite Christmas memory was when her daughter was old enough to draw. They used to draw a large tree on a foam board, and the 3 of them would draw ornaments on it. They were all about her family that year. They did this for several years, and this is something she considers priceless. So look at that. She also drew a cute little Christmas tree, and I love how you decorated the bottom here. So here again is this super precious and amazing Christmas ATC card from Cornflower Crafts. Corn, thank you so much. And I'm wishing you all the best for the holiday season. Her husband, Handsome, and her have the most fun drawings in the hauls when they do share their Dollar Tree hauls. I think, I'm not sure, by the time I post this, the giveaway that her husband has been hosting or has shared on her channel might still be ongoing, but go ahead and join in the fun. Check out her channel. I know you guys will feel inspired. Her Craft With Me videos are really fun, and she recently made another gnome, and this time it was a gingerbread gnome, and it is a must-see. So again, Corn, thank you very much. I'm wishing you all a wonderful weekend. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.